Learning objectives. After studying this module, students will be able to explain the concept of organizing, explain the process of organizing, describe the importance of organizing, explain the meaning, advantages, and disadvantages of functional organization, explain the meaning, advantages, and disadvantages of divisional organization, explain the meaning, advantages, and disadvantages of formal and informal organization, distinguish between formal and informal organization, explain the concept of delegation and decentralization, describe the importance of delegation and decentralization, and distinguish between delegation and decentralization.